Big 10! Ben 10!
Thank goodness you scared away those, well, whatever they were. Now, if only someone would stop blasting that music, we could get back to our date.
Hey, you seem pretty good at conflict resolution. Maybe you could ask them to keep it down. You'd be a hero.
Are we forgetting I just defeated a horde of vicious monsters? Fine. A mysterious door leading to a secret concert. This could mean trouble.
Ben Tennyson, here to see a show by the one and only DJ of destructive sound.
Lord Decibel!
I reserved you a front row seat, little costume. How does $1 million earn?
I wouldn't spend a cent of my allowance on your music. You disabled my Omnitrix? How?
Through simple sonic manipulation.
Bend all the notes you want. I can still stop you.
This is my End of the World tour. I'll be bringing down the house all over Strudelbeck. And anyone who doesn't pay up will get a very special bass drop.
Prepare to be canceled, Decibel.
Killed the mood in this venue, but this was just the opening act.
I better keep an ear out for Lord Decibel's concerts. He won't be jamming once I show up. First, I need to find Ranger Ryan and tell him about those raccoons I found.
We've been searching everywhere for you. We've got bigger problems than raccoons.
You can say that again. The picnic area was infested with actual monsters.
And I thought Strudelbeck would be a relaxing, peaceful place to be a park ranger.
Hi, I am Stefan. Nice to meet you, Ben. Ranger Ryan has told me you've proven to be very helpful here in the park. I've heard reports of strange activity in a few areas. Why don't you open your map and look? One of the locations is Grashugal Village, where I am mayor, and I could really use your help around town.
You need to investigate one of the 3 locations. I'll keep the park under control.
Thanks, Ranger Ryan. I'll do my best to get to the bottom of this. Hey, Gwen. Find anything on that tablet?
I've just started to decode the inscriptions, but I think it definitely mentions the crystals. That's not why I called, though. Grandpa said he could use your help at the rust bucket.
I'll be right there. Woohoo!
Hiya, Ben. Seems like the rust bucket broke down between a rock and a hard place. While I get us out of this pickle, I could use your help getting a fire started so we can grill some grub.
You made this sound important. No problem, Grandpa.
Oh, I saw some good firewood around the park.
All right! Take that! Whoosh! All right! Fire!
Look at that fire. So, what'll it be, Gwen? Hot dogs or hamburgers?
Both.
We'll save some for you too, Ben. Now that the rust bucket's back in order, I can give you a lift so you can save the world even faster. And I'll hold on to any cool stuff you find around Strudelbeck.
Looks like I have a big adventure ahead of me. Now, where should I go first? Ben 10 Power Trip.